दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello everyone, this is about part-time business for everyone and anyone of age 18 plus can do it, like students, freshers, housewives, retailers, wholesalers, retired person, working professionals and anyone can do it. If you can commit 1 hour daily for 90 days only for a part-time business, you can start earning 500 to 20,000 per day within 3 months to 1 year. So friends, I'll say you about the company profile. The name of the company is BluePay Venture Private Limited and the website is www.bluepaymax.com. It was established on April 28 in 2015 at Bangalore. About company, BluePaymax is unique business model, helps maximize one's opportunity to increase revenue while spending on their basic regular needs, and which in turn helps to retain valued customers and attract new ones. BluePaymax has always operated its business based on principles of honesty, integrity, and outstanding service. We have an unprecedented commitment and value for money. We are customer centric and carry out ethical business practices. We have a long lasting support and goodwill of our esteemed customers. You can visit our website, that is www.bluepaymax.com, for further information. It's exactly like any other e-commerce company in the world and a business platform for every Indian to do part-time business. Only difference is that all its members are registered because company has given platform for business to every Indian. BluePaymax gives cashback points on every purchase happening through its platform. To start your own business, collect 500 CBP only once. This you can do in one purchase or in several purchases. On collecting 500 CBP, you become an active businessman. There are 3 memberships. First one is Premium, second one is Privilege and third one is Elite. You can start with any membership and upgrade later. There are daily capping on each membership of Rs 5,000, 10,000 and 20,000. Access amount is carry forwarded in your account only. Register for free and start collecting CBP, that is cashback points, CBP slowly through online products and shopping vouchers and card purchase. Once you earn 500 CBP, your business starts. CBP immediate daily deal. Start with premium membership of 500 CBP product or higher as per your home requirement. Once your ID is active, start building your business with target of 1 hour each for 90 days. Spend 1 hour only daily and introduce this concept to everyone you know or even you don't know. Keep doing this for 90 days, keeping in mind to reach minimum 10 active members during this 90 days. We will support you and your team also on the same process. Through this, you start earning 500 daily within 90 days and this increases slowly up to 20,000 per day in 1 year time. There are club rewards also. If you collect 100 reward points, the designation will be Bronze Club member and the reward is TAP worth 8,000. If you collect 250 reward points, the designation is Silver Club member and the reward is laptop worth 30,000. If you collect 500 reward points, the designation is Gold Club member and the reward is 55-inch Smart LED TV worth 50,000. If you collect 1000 reward points, the designation is Platinum Club member and the reward is Bajaj Pulsar bike worth 80,000. If you collect 2500 reward points, the designation is Diamond Club member and the reward is Maruti Baleno car worth 8 lakhs. If you collect 5000 reward points, the designation is Blue Diamond Club member and the reward is Kia Seltos car worth 12 lakhs. If you collect 10,000 reward points, your designation will be Black Diamond Club member and the reward is MG Hector car worth 25 lakhs. If you collect 25,000 reward points, the designation is Crown Diamond Club member and the reward is Villa at the rate Bangalore worth 50 lakhs. If you collect 50,000 reward points, the designation is BluePaymax Ambassador and the reward is BMW X1 plus Villa at the rate Bangalore worth 1 crore. There are rewards also connected with activation income. Activation income and rewards are collective activated team members of your upline, yours and your downline. Means any activation happening from the day you join, then after every joining by your upline, yourself and your downline to unlimited members is considered as your team. If you and the respected teams follows 90 days target, you will achieve 6 out of 9 total rewards in 1 year only. There is repurchase benefit also. If you want to earn more, take a Blue Paymax debit card and start paying all your payments to this card. Repurchase has level limit up to 10 levels of your direct teams. Has every member, including you and under you, have some or other expenses daily, monthly and annually. Doing payments regularly through this card will give you repurchase income up to level 10. You can use this card to pay your bills through Paytm, Google Pay, PhonePe, IMPS and NEFT. You can shop on any online portal or any shop who accepts card, Paytm or any mode of debit card transaction. You have much bigger options to make repurchase income. You get 10 CBP on every ₹1000 spent through Blue Paymax debit card. If you purchase through Blue Paymax vendors, then your CBP can be anything between 30 CBP to 250 CBP on every ₹1000 spent. There are 6 services which you can utilize it. First one is house related services, in which you get grocery, cleaning, vegetable, stationery and many more. Second one is monthly bills, in which you get electricity, gas, water, garbage, internet, mobile recharge. Third one is entertainment, in which you get travel, hotel, restaurants, play zones, movies and tickets. Fourth one is other house expenses like kids education fees, vehicle service and gifts. Fifth one is annual charges, in which you get health club, insurance, policies, cable TV, society maintenance and taxes. Sixth one is once in a while, that is like electronics, furniture, utensils. By this you can imagine how much you can earn while you and everyone spend. But I suggest move slowly and first start with 90 days target on activation income only. For more details, you can contact Amit Gupta and the contact number is 78799711011.